Have a fun day. This is Henan Xinxiang number 7 Chemical Company Limited. Let me introduce the anti-collapsing plugin agent FD. Anti-collapsing plugin agent FD is based on the basic components of powdered cationic asphalt. It is a draining fluid additive made by a special process. The appearance is black. The product is not only convenient for field application and protecting the health of workers, but also easily dispersed in the mud. The dispersed size is less than 150 mesh. As a fluid loss control agent, recommended dosage is 1% to 2%. As a blocking agent, recommended dosage is 3% to 5%. 25 kg per sack, sealed in craft bag or woven bag with plastic lining.